As John Kabat-Zinn, the creator of the mindfulness-based stress reduction program, said, "Mindfulness is not about being perfect. It's about being present." Mindfulness allows us to connect with the present moment, helping us to cultivate inner peace, focus, and resilience. For beginners, developing a mindfulness practice doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 15 quick techniques you can implement anywhere, boosting your well-being and helping you lead a more intentional life. First, conscious breathing. Begin your mindfulness journey by concentrating on your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Engage in this exercise for 5 minutes, focusing solely on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. This powerful technique helps anchor you in the moment. Second, body scan. Set aside 10 minutes to conduct a gentle body scan. Lie down or sit comfortably, close your eyes, and start at your toes. Gradually move your attention up through your body, noticing any sensations, areas of tension or discomfort. This practice helps build awareness and fosters a sense of relaxation. Third, mindful walking. Take a stroll, but this time pay attention to each step. Feel the ground under your feet, the air on your skin, and the rhythm of your movement. This practice can be highly grounding and is available to you wherever you go, whether in a park or during a break at work. Fourth, 5 senses exercise. When you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to connect with your senses. Identify and name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This simple exercise draws you back into the present and helps you reconnect with your surroundings. Fifth, gratitude journaling. Take a few minutes each day to write down 3 things that you are grateful for. This practice shifts your focus from what may be wrong in your life to acknowledging the positives, fostering a sense of appreciation and enhancing your mood. Sixth, mindful eating. Transform your next meal into a mindfulness practice. Take time to savor each bite, noticing the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Eating mindfully encourages healthier habits and a more profound connection with what nourishes you. Seventh, mindful listening. Engage in mindful listening during conversations. Focus completely on the person speaking, avoiding the urge to plan your response while they talk. This approach deepens your relationships and enhances your empathy and understanding. Eighth, nature connection. Find a nearby green space or simply observe nature around you. Spend a few moments taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of the environment. Nature has a remarkable ability to refresh our minds and promote peace, making it a perfect backdrop for mindfulness. Ninth, mindful coloring. Adult coloring books have gained popularity for good reason. Coloring can be a simple yet effective way to practice mindfulness. As you focus on coloring, let your mind relax and drift into the creative process, providing a break from your daily stresses. 10th, visualization. Close your eyes and create a mental image of a peaceful place, a beach, a forest, or a cozy room. Engage all your senses by imagining the sounds, smells, and textures of this safe haven. Visualization can act as a grounding technique during moments of anxiety. 11th, affirmations. Utilize positive affirmations to cultivate self-compassion and self-love. Choose an affirmation that resonates with you, such as "I am worthy" or "I embrace my journey." Repeat it to yourself daily, allowing its essence to sink into your mind and transforming your outlook. 12th, mindful technology use. As technology becomes an integral part of our lives, it's crucial to practice mindfulness in our interactions with screens. Limit distractions by setting specific times to check your digital devices and consciously engaging with a single task at a time. 13th, mindful transitions. Use daily transitions like commuting or waiting in line as opportunities to practice mindfulness. Focus on your breath, observe your surroundings, or silently repeat a mantra. These moments offer valuable time for reflection and centering. 14th, stretching. Incorporate stretching into your daily routine. Pause for a few minutes to stretch your body, paying attention to how your muscles feel and responding to your body's cues. This practice fosters mindfulness while alleviating physical tension. 15th, practice loving kindness meditation. This meditation involves silently repeating phrases of goodwill toward yourself and others. Start with yourself, wishing for happiness, health, and safety. Gradually, extend these sentiments to loved ones, acquaintances, and even difficult individuals in your life. Begin with phrases like, "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," "May I be safe," "May I be at ease." Then repeat these for others in your life. Incorporating mindfulness into your life is about finding moments of peace amidst the chaos. By utilizing these techniques, you can create a more centered and fulfilling experience in your everyday activities. The beauty of mindfulness lies in its simplicity and accessibility. There's no need for elaborate rituals or lengthy time commitments. Small practices can lead to profound changes in our mental and emotional landscapes. Each mindful moment you take is a step toward cultivating greater awareness, clarity, and tranquility. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about being present. Consider starting with one technique a day, gradually adding more as you feel comfortable. Allow yourself to savor the journey into mindfulness and embrace the transformation it invites. Your path to inner peace starts now. Are you ready to take that first step?